In a rapid-fire clash, China's laser weaponry unleashed its power, swiftly taking down 13 drones with sheer precision. As the laser beams sliced through the skies, a lingering question arose. What makes China's laser weapons so formidable, and why does the global power balance feel its impact, especially in the eyes of the United States? In the dynamic arena of military advancements, nations fiercely compete for dominance. Laser weapons have become a pivotal force alongside hypersonic and space weaponry. Recent reports unveiled that Saudi Arabia had acquired China's cutting-edge Silent Hunter laser weapon. In a critical battle, this advanced laser system showcased its prowess by intercepting and neutralizing 13 Houthi suicide drones in Yemen, reshaping the narrative of modern combat strategies. The Silent Hunter, imported from China by Saudi Arabia, not only marked a significant leap in laser technology, but also etched its name in history as the world's first laser weapon to engage in real combat. Its success turned the tide for Saudi Arabia in the face of adversity, proving its effectiveness against small, low-altitude threats. With the Silent Hunter's triumph on the battlefield, the world pondered, if an exported laser weapon demonstrated such might, what capabilities do China's domestically utilized lasers hold? The global audience held its breath, eager to unravel the true extent of China's laser arsenal. While the world's attention focused on conflicts like Russia and Ukraine, a seismic shift occurred in the Middle East. Saudi Arabia faced relentless assaults from this Houthi armed forces, with oil facilities ablaze and black smoke shrouding the sky. The onslaught, encompassing artillery shells and drones, triggered a quest for a potent defense. In 2019, Houthi armed drones inflicted substantial damage on a major Saudi oil refinery, exposing the urgent need for a reliable defense against these nimble, low-cost threats. Traditional anti-aircraft missiles, including the US-imported Patriots, proved insufficient against the swarm of drones. Enter China's Silent Hunter. This revolutionary laser weapon changed the game, intercepting and obliterating 13 attacking drones. The Saudi Ministry of Defense, impressed by its combat success, intensified its reliance on Chinese military technology. The Silent Hunter's triumph positioned it as a groundbreaking laser weapon, raising questions about the broader capabilities of China's laser arsenal. As the world grappled with evolving threats, China's laser weapons once again demonstrated their prowess, leaving nations in awe and sparking speculation about the future of laser warfare. Thus, during geopolitical shifts, the saga of laser weaponry continued, echoing through the decades since the 50s. Back in the annals of the Cold War, the United States and the Soviet Union embarked on a pioneering journey into the realm of laser weaponry in the late 50s. Meanwhile, China, a latecomer in the laser frontier, delved into this cutting-edge technology only in the 60s, initially trailing behind its superpower counterparts. However, China has since staged a remarkable comeback, surpassing the achievements of the United States in various facets of laser weapon development. Remarkable breakthroughs have propelled China to the forefront, with several laser weapons already finding application in military operations. The foundations of China's success rest on 5 core technologies that outshine those of other nations. While many countries have ventured into the development of these futuristic weapons, China's technological strides have created a considerable gap, with only the United States coming close but still lagging significantly behind. The prowess of China's laser weapon development is a source of international intrigue and concern. The United States closely monitors China's advancements in the laser field, apprehensive about the rapid pace at which China is mastering the formidable technology. The apprehension arises from the inherent power and controllability of laser weapons, coupled with their extensive range and rapid charging capabilities. One critical advantage that China holds is the adaptability of laser weapons for space applications. Unlike traditional weapons reliant on gunpowder, laser weapons operate independently, making them ideal for space-based deployment. The Silent Hunter laser weapon, unveiled several years ago at a defense exhibition in Abu Dhabi, UAE, exemplifies this technological leap. Drawing parallels with a similar development in the United States, the Silent Hunter distinguishes itself by a remarkable output power. reaching 3 times that of its American counterparts. The Silent Hunter's heavy-duty military truck chassis, equipped with a potent laser, underscores China's commitment to advancing its laser weaponry. In terms of sheer capability, it can engage and neutralize up to 10 targets within a minute, a resounding victory for Chinese ingenuity. This significant technological lead positions China as a formidable force in the laser weaponry landscape, a fact emphasized during the 13th Zhuhai Air Show in 2021, where China's aerospace science showcased its prowess on the global stage. The era of laser weaponry has dawned, and China stands at the forefront, leaving the world to ponder the implications of its extraordinary advancements. At the 13th Zhuhai Air Show in 2021, the stage was set for a dazzling revelation as China's aerospace industry and industry corporation unveiled the formidable LW-30, a laser defense system that stands as a testament to China's cutting-edge prowess in laser technology. This powerhouse comprises a trifecta of components: a radar command and communication vehicle, a laser launch vehicle, and logistics support vehicle, all mounted on a highly mobile, 6-wheeled truck chassis designed for exceptional maneuverability across diverse terrains. The LW-30 wasted no time improving its mettle, showcasing rapid response capability by locking onto targets within a mere 6 seconds and achieving a remarkable feat, intercepting over 30 targets in a single experimental endeavor. During this display of technological prowess, the China Ordnance Industry Group stepped into the limelight with the O5 laser weapon system, boasting even higher levels of system integration compared to the already impressive LW-30. The O5's launching device, being tucked away in a compartment, exhibited versatility by launching various items. Bolstered by a phase-controlled seismic radar with single-sided vibration, the O5 showcased enhanced capabilities in searching for long-distance targets, firmly positioning China at the forefront of laser weapon development, especially in the realm of air defense systems. Yet these unveiled advancements merely scratch the surface of China's laser technology achievements. Among the most mysterious is the awe-inspiring Death Ray A, a heavy laser weapon system that has captured global curiosity. Reports from Canada's Hanwha Defense Weekly in 2017 peeled back the layers of this enigma, unveiling Death Ray A's astonishing capabilities to wreak havoc on incoming drones, stealth fighters, ballistic missiles, and even adversary nuclear submarines. China's mastery of laser technology takes a revolutionary turn with Death Ray A, addressing a long-standing challenge in laser warfare. Overcoming the inherent difficulty of targeting fast-moving nuclear submarines beneath the sea with directional lasers, Chinese scientists introduced an innovative approach using laser satellite relay warfare, or satellite reflection warfare. This breakthrough technology was put to the test, taking a mere 2.5 seconds to locate, lock onto, and destroy a simulated enemy nuclear submarine, with the protective layer beginning to vaporize after 5.2 seconds of continuous irradiation. This distinctive breakthrough, exclusive to China, places it in a league of its own, surpassing even the technological constraints faced by the United States. While these advancements currently focus on land-based and sea-based applications, the tantalizing prospect of applying this technology to air combat sparks speculations. Imaginations run wild with the possibility of equipping laser weapons on the J-20, a 5th-generation aircraft devoid of conventional cannons. If realized, this innovation could potentially revolutionize the close combat capabilities of the J-20, ushering in a new era in aerial warfare. The enigma surrounding China's laser technology continues to unfold, reshaping the landscape of military capabilities on a global scale. China's cutting-edge laser weapons are causing unprecedented pressure on the US military. The latest generation of Chinese layers not only effectively counters ultra-high-speed reconnaissance planes, but disrupts the guidance systems of stealth fighters. In response, the US military has attempted unconventional measures like painting metal mirrors on stealth fighters to mitigate laser damage. However, the reliability of this countermeasure is questionable, given the challenges posed by dust and dirt affecting the refraction effect. In contrast, China's laser technology is deemed far superior, possessing dual capabilities for tactical attacks and strategic deterrence. The US military's actions, including the Metal Mirror Initiative, reflect their concern over China's formidable laser weaponry. The technological race continues, emphasizing the need for constant advancement. The future holds both opportunities and challenges in the dynamic landscape of laser warfare. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more compelling content. Until next time, stay tuned for more updates in the ever-evolving landscape of technological advancements.